Hi, my name's John Howes. I'm the workshop coordinator for Cardiff Cycle Workshop. Our bike recycling scheme has been running for about 14 years. Bikes that people don't want anymore, they get donated. We will refurbish it, we will repair it with the help of a team of volunteer mechanics. We've got about 20 volunteers on the books. Buying a new bike can be quite expensive. People often cite that when asked why they don't cycle. Typically the cost of a good quality bike, that could be upwards of £500. We would sell a bike like that for say £150. We're aiming to recycle 1,000 bikes this year. We also have a commercial repair workshop. Bring your bike to us and pay us to repair it or service it. We deliver maintenance training courses. People can come and learn how to look after their bike, trying to increase their confidence. One of the reasons that we really try and promote cycling is great for the kind of air quality, pollution levels within the city, helps to keep you fit. You get out in the open air, it's just really good fun. You know, if you get a bike and you ride one day to work once a week, that's a start. The more that you do it, your confidence will grow, and pretty soon, you know, you'll be like me, you can't get off your bike. That's why I would recommend it to anyone.